In today's video, we're putting the ASUS V16 against the HP Omen, both packing the RTX 5070, but built for very different gamers. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these gaming laptops, make sure to check the link in the description below. Starting with displays, the ASUS V16 gives you a 16-inch WUXGA panel running at 144 Hz, which is smooth and crisp for most gamers. But the HP Omen counters with a larger 16.1-inch WQXGA screen at a blazing 240 Hz, so you get significantly higher pixel density and fluidity in fast-paced shooters. Under the hood, the ASUS relies on an Intel Core i7-4240H processor with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which handles everyday gaming and productivity without breaking a sweat, while the HP Omen packs an AMD Ryzen 9 8940HX paired with a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, meaning the Omen chews through multitasking, streaming, and heavy content creation much faster. Both feature the same RTX 5070 graphics, so raw gaming frame rates are similar, but the HP's superior processor and extra memory give it an edge in CPU-bound titles and background task management. Storage is identical at 1TB PCIe SSDs on both, so load times are equally snappy. Where the ASUS shines is portability and comfort. Its slimmer matte black design and ErgoSense keyboard with 1.5mm key travel make it easier to carry and type on for hours. Plus, the ASUS IceCool thermal system keeps fans quiet during intense sessions. The HP Omen, however, fights back with an RGB backlit keyboard including a numeric keypad, a brighter 500-nit display, and a bundled Thunderobot 7-in-1 USB-C hub that saves you from buying dongles separately. Cooling approaches differ too. The ASUS prioritizes quiet stability with dual fans, while the HP relies on its larger chassis to dissipate heat, which can run louder but allows for that higher refresh rate screen. Battery life leans toward the ASUS due to its less demanding display, whereas the HP Omen consumes more power but rewards you with stunning visuals. Neither laptop has a clear knockout. The ASUS V16 is the smarter choice for students and travelers who want RTX 5070 power in a portable, reliable package without overspending. But if you're a competitive gamer or streamer who needs every frame and every core, the HP Omen justifies its premium with that 240 Hz WQXGA panel and Ryzen 9 muscle. Both are fantastic, but after weighing thermals, portability, and real-world usability, the ASUS V16 edges ahead for most people. It gives you 90% of the performance at a much friendlier price point, and that price difference is exactly why you need to click the link in the description below to see which one fits your budget today.